am here at Hotel Xcaret, and this is the brand new section. I am in a junior suite. Wow. So this is a half bath as soon as you come in the entrance. This is, again, a junior suite. So this is going to be a larger room than the standard lead-in category. Great dining area. Large, expansive mini bar. And we have great seating area, hammock outside. How pretty, look at this sculpture. Beautiful. And again, this is Casa Eclipse. So this is the newer section that just opened in 2025, late 2025. So these are newer rooms. I've stayed in the other section as well, which both sections are really, really nice. I've never stayed in a junior suite, so this is my first time. Look at this gorgeous soaking tub here. How pretty. And then another hammock looking out to this river. Oh, there's some people kayaking. So if you don't know about this hotel, it is something special. There are multiple eco parks that you have access to, and the hotel itself, so the eco parks, there's daily shuttles running. Some of them require reservations in advance. Some you can just hop on a shuttle. Here's the king bed. They also offer this with 2 double beds. But there's eco parks. However, the resort itself, you could spend a week here and probably just then have figured everything out. It's a really, really spectacular, unique. I've never been to any place as unique as this hotel. So if you don't feel like doing eco parks, even though they're all included with your nightly stay, so the room rate tends to be higher here because you're getting access to all of the eco parks. But even if you don't feel like doing that, I can promise you, especially for families, your kids are gonna be so entertained here. There is so much to do right on property. So again, this is the junior suite at Hotel Xcaret, and I am in the Casa Eclipse. They have multiple casas here, so different building names with different suites to choose from.